Okay. Hi. Hi. Okay. Then can you see there something? What do you can see on the table? Sit, sit. What do you can see on the table? Flowers. Then can you see they have many colors? Many colors. Look at red color, yellow color, white color, purple color. What is this color? Pink color. This purple color. This one orange color. They have many colors. And how about smell? Huh? How about smell? Smell? How about smell? Good smell. Look at good smell. Good smell. We like that smell. Do you like? Smell? This smell do you like? Then flowers have many colors and good smell. Flower. Show me your flower. Then tell me color. What is your color? Orange. Is it orange? Okay. Then tell me. Show me your flower. Teacher pennanna mala. Show me your flower. Tell me what are that? Flowers. Say flowers. Flowers. Then do they have many colors? Misal, do they have many colors? එයාලට colors ගොඩක් තියෙනවද? නේ? ඔයාලා අතේ තියෙන colors ගොඩක් තියෙනවනේ මේ red color, yellow color, orange color, purple color, pink color. They have many colors. See? They have yes, white color, yellow color. They have many colors. Smell, will you? Smell. 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 Do they have good smell or bad smell? Good smell the flowers වලට තියෙන good smell. Hey. Do they have good smell or bad smell? Bad smell එකත් ඔය flowers වල තියෙන්නේ. Good smell. They have good smell. They have good smell. Okay. Then tell me. What is the flower name? Rukkattana. What is the color? Yellow color. Okay. Check smell. Smell you like this. How about smell? Is it good or bad? Good. 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 Okay. Then what is your flower name? Shoe flower. What is the color? Red. How about smell? How about smell? Good or bad? Good. Very good. Anthurium. What is the color? Red color. Check the smell. How about smell? Good. Okay. Very good. What is the flower name? Rose flower. What is the color? Red color. Check this smell. Will you? How about this smell? Is it good or bad? Good. Okay, very good. What is the flower name? Atapetia. What is the color? Orange. How about this smell? Good or bad? Good. Okay. Then what is your flower name? No, Ganesh. What is the color? Red. How about smell? Good or bad? Good. What is the flower name? Zinnias. What is the color? Purple color. How about smell? Good. Okay. Then what is your flower name? Shoe flower. What is the color? Orange color. Yellow color. Okay. Then how about smell? Check it. Check. Good or bad? Good. Okay. What is your flower name? Show me. Show me. What is the flower name? Okay. What is the color? Purple. How about smell? Check will you? Smell. Good or bad? Good. Okay. Then what is your flower name? Rukkal. What is the color?
Yellow color.
Yellow color. How about smell? Good. What is your flower name? What is the flower name? Shoe flower. What is the color?
Red.
Red. How about smell? Good. Very good. Then you. What is your flower name? Daspetia or marigold. Okay. What is the color?
Good.
Color.
Orange color.
Okay. How about smell? Good. Okay. What is your flower name? Bougainvillea. It is. What is the color? White.
White.
How about smell? Smelling? Good. Very good. Okay. Thank you all. Show me your flower again.